how to fix photos and videos not sending on WhatsApp in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. On this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem easily. So first thing you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager page right here, as you can see. Now right here on this page, all what you have to do is open the apps. Now here, wait a few seconds, it will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. After it will load in, then you will find all the apps. As you can see, scroll until you find WhatsApp and click on it. Now all what you have to do on this page is very simple. Just click on the notifications management. Make sure to disable the notifications and enable them again like this, and then go back, click here on this force stop option, and then go down to the power usage details and click again here on force stop. That's it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe if this video was helpful.